Welcome back, artists. Today we're diving into perspective, a tool that helps you create depth and make your drawings look 3D. Without perspective, buildings, streets, or even characters can look flat. Don't worry if it seems tricky at first, we'll start simple. Perspective is how we show depth and space on flat paper. Things closer look bigger, things further away look smaller. Lines that are parallel in real life appear to meet at a vanishing point in your drawing. Imagine looking straight down a road. All the lines, road edges, fences, buildings, lead to one vanishing point on the horizon line. Draw a road with a vanishing point in the center. Add buildings or trees shrinking as they go back. Imagine standing at the corner of a building. The building edges go to two vanishing points, left and right. Practice. Draw a simple box using two-point perspective. This is the foundation for houses, rooms, and cityscapes. Used for dramatic views, looking up at skyscrapers or down from above. Has a third vanishing point, top or bottom. Draw a simple box using three-point perspective. This will help when drawing characters. With an angle view from above or below,